When is Matiang'i coming to declare his candidature again?
Aya, Mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i ngochare this month to Kenya. Naende tali na igagocha ku declare kwirende ya candidature. Matiang'i igagocha gukora 1 or 2 meetings here and there to be able to reach out to his networks. Obwente kumanya buna Matiang'i was the Minister for Interior. Igona abwate chi regional commissioners are gukorana chigasi agocha go activate. Na abwate county commissioners are gukorana bwigasi buna babona tembea agocha ku reactivate. Chi DCC are gukorana chigasi, chi chief, chi assistant chief. Noroche network ye is very rich. Number 2, chi CS nchira are gukorana chigasi go chakera babo Musheru, babo Munya, bali barengi na bwe cabinet. These are networks is coming to reactivate. Number 3, go chare go set up a secretariat. No embono no obis toko set up Samuel Karen ijue go chago tuare secretariat eko kore campaign ya His Excellency Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Again tokende, he will be declaring his candidature at a later stage, but he is running, of course he's running for president. He is strategic, very reckless. President His Excellency Matiang'i is just being strategic. Naende again tonkerege go teba se laws of power. Too much circulation spoils the price. Do you understand? Neno mwise komuya igakwibisa igakupera nyumba osoka limo igokogende sabatu kusemisa. Nariye abantu bakumotonera mono no igwete umuntu kwetana no kumono naende gocha gwasaria ligori.
Okay.
Again to gwatana ni umono eligori eligocha lyakoraki lyasareka. So Matiang'i is coming to declare his candidature. He's coming to reactivate his networks, which we are already working on. Naende ntaetengo tebiga mokora Matiang'i bune candidate yaba kusi. Matiang'i is a candidate of the people of Kenya. Nababa demanding for his candidature. We are just part of the people that are pushing this agenda.
Evanson Muturi